Here are 5 legit ways you can make money online in 2025, starting today. These are methods real people are using right now. Stick around to see which one fits you best. 1. AI content services. Use tools like ChatGPT to offer blog writing, product descriptions, or even video scripts for small businesses. AI helps you work faster and smarter. 2. Faceless YouTube channels. You don't need to be on camera. Use stock footage, AI voiceovers, and trending topics to create profitable content. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you believe in and earn commissions. Join networks like ClickBank, Digistore24, or Amazon Associates. 4. Digital products. Sell templates, courses, or ebooks. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make it super easy to start with zero inventory. 5. Remote microtasks. Sites like Clickworker and Amazon MTurk pay you to do small jobs from anywhere. Great for building an income stream in your free time. The future is here. Earning online has never been more real or more accessible. Follow for more no BS online income tips, links in the bio if you're ready to start.